Hi everyone, Kalem from Redfoot Levelling here. Today I'm going to show you how to use our EQ hydraulic system to assist in changing a tyre on your vehicle. All of our levelling systems are not designed to be a jack tyre solution. So what that means is that they're not actually rated to hold the vehicle while you get underneath the vehicle. So if you want to lift the vehicle up with our system, perfectly fine. As soon as you want to work on your vehicle and get underneath, you need to use a properly rated jack stand to hold the weight of the vehicle. So I'll show you how to safely do this in this video here. So the first thing we want to do is locate the jacking point on your vehicle. For the Fiat Ducato, it's right next to the step. Just under here, there's a jacking point. And we also want to make sure we're on ground that isn't soft. So preferably concrete ground, because when you replace this jack, if you're on soft ground, it will cause it to teeter-totter different ways. You want to be a solid base so it can't move and can't fall down. So what we're going to do, we're going to say that we have a flat tyre on the passenger side of this vehicle, passenger front. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the manual systems and manual function of this controller to lift both front rams up, to lift both wheels off the ground. So all I need to do is go to the controller, turn it on, press down on the front jacks, and that'll deploy the front and lift them up off the ground. So now I've lifted up the front of this vehicle, and as you can see now, wheels off the ground. What I'm going to want to do now is get my properly rated jack stand. Don't go underneath the vehicle, but all I need to do, place that jack stand, lock it in place on that mounting point where that jacking point on this van is. Then I can lower the jack stand onto that jacking point. So now I've lowered the vehicle onto the jack stands. All the load is safely transferred onto our properly rated jack stands. We can now take a tyre off safely, or do whatever work we need to get done. Now, same thing in reverse. What we want to do now is extend the cylinders, take the loads off the jack stands, remove the jacks out, and then lower the vehicle back to the ground once we're done. So there you go, that shows you how to use the system as a tool to assist you in changing a tyre, but never use it as a proper tyre jack solution. Thanks for watching, and join back next time for some more tips and tricks.